Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here.
Starting with pricing, MyTaxPrepOffice follows a fixed annual license model built for professional tax preparers who want predictable costs and unlimited filing capacity. Pricing is tiered by a plan, typically ranging from entry-level individual pro licenses to higher, essential, and unlimited plans. Each tier increases in price based on supported return types, number of users, storage limits, and office locations. What's important is that all plans include unlimited federal and state e-filing, meaning firms are not charged per return. Once the license is paid for the tax year, preparers can file as many returns as needed without worrying about volume-based fees. This makes budgeting straightforward for firms with stable or high client volume. However, the upfront costs can feel steep for preparers with low, seasonal, or inconsistent workloads, who may not fully utilize the unlimited structure. By contrast, TaxJar does not publish flat pricing and instead requires users to contact sales for a customized quote. Pricing varies based on transaction volume, number of jurisdictions, integrations, and whether features like automated filing or API access are enabled. This makes TaxJar flexible for scaling businesses, but less transparent upfront compared to fixed-price tax preparation software. Moving into features, MyTaxPrepOffice is designed as an all-in-one professional tax preparation environment. It supports a wide range of individual and business returns, including Forms 1040, 1065, 1120, 1120S, 990, 706, 709, and specialty returns depending on plan level. The platform includes unlimited federal and state e-filing, integrated bank products for refunds and payments, client portals, remote signature tools, after-the-fact payroll, and multi-office management. Preparers can access prior year returns, manage client records across multiple seasons, and handle both individual and business workflows inside a single system. Higher tier plans unlock multiple user accounts, expanded storage, and administrative controls that support growing firms and multi-preparer teams. From a pros and cons perspective, MyTaxPrepOffice's biggest advantage is predictability. Unlimited filing under one annual license removes per return math, and the broad return coverage makes it practical for firms with diverse client needs. Integrated bank products and client portals help streamline peak season workflows. The downside is flexibility. The upfront license cost can be inefficient for low-volume preparers, and the platform is not optimized for transactional compliance tasks like bulk 1999 or sales tax automation. The feature depth can also feel excessive for solo preparers handling only basic returns, especially when simpler or pay-as-you-go tools would meet their needs at a lower overall cost. Additionally, onboarding and training time can be higher, meaning firms must commit to fully adopting the system to realize its full value. Switching to TaxJar, this platform focuses entirely on sales tax compliance rather than income tax preparation. TaxJar is built to automate sales tax calculations, tracking, reporting, and filing for businesses selling across multiple states and channels. Core features include real-time sales tax calculation based on precise customer location, economic and physical nexus tracking to determine where businesses are required to collect tax, automated rate updates as laws change, and granular reporting by state, county, city, and special tax jurisdiction. TaxJar integrates deeply with major e-commerce platforms, online marketplaces, ERPs, and payment processors, allowing sales data to sync automatically without manual uploads, which significantly reduces operational friction. Beyond calculation and reporting, TaxJar offers automated sales tax filing in supported jurisdictions, removing the need for businesses to prepare and submit returns manually each filing period. Historical transaction archiving provides audit-ready records, while exemption certificate management helps businesses correctly handle resale and tax-exempt customers. Advanced users can leverage robust APIs, to embed tax logic directly into checkout systems or internal applications, ensuring tax is calculated correctly in real time. Dedicated onboarding, detailed documentation, and customer success resources are available at higher tiers, making the platform suitable for fast-growing e-commerce brands and enterprise sellers managing complex multi-channel operations. From a pros and cons standpoint, TaxJar's biggest strength is automation and accuracy. It dramatically reduces the manual workload associated with multi-state sales tax compliance and lowers the risk of under or over collecting tax. Deep integrations, real-time calculations, automated filings, and audit-ready records make it especially valuable for e-commerce sellers, SaaS companies, and marketplace operators scaling rapidly. The downside is scope and cost predictability. TaxJar does not handle income tax preparation, payroll taxes, or professional return filing, and pricing is quote-based, meaning costs can rise as transaction volume, jurisdictions, or filing frequency increase. This can be less attractive for very small sellers or businesses operating in limited states. In terms of ratings, MyTaxPrepOffice shows strong visibility on Capterra, with feedback commonly highlighting value for money, broad return coverage, and the appeal of unlimited filing under a fixed license, though some users mention a learning curve and feature depth for solo preparers. TaxJar also maintains solid Capterra ratings, with users frequently praising automation, accuracy, and integration breadth, while some note pricing transparency and setup complexity as considerations. As always, ratings should be interpreted cautiously, as review volume, company size, and use cases vary widely. Final takeaway: if you're a professional tax preparer who values unlimited returns, predictable annual pricing, and a comprehensive income tax preparation environment for individuals and businesses, MyTaxPrepOffice is the better fit. If you're a business selling across multiple states that needs automated sales tax calculation, nexus tracking, reporting, and filing at scale with minimal manual effort, TaxJar delivers far stronger compliance automation and real-time accuracy. Ultimately, the right choice depends on whether your core challenge is preparing income tax returns or managing ongoing sales tax obligations across jurisdictions. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more deep dive software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore both platforms and choose the solution that best matches your compliance needs and growth stage.